We finally got the GoPro 4 Silver. That's what I'm going to be recording my videos on from now on. I'm going to get a new one on the road so we can get more views of the fishing trips that we take. Right now we're just fishing for some flounder. So I tried doing a video yesterday and then it just wasn't working on the computer. So I reinstalled the program and we're gonna try again tonight to see if it works. If any of you guys have a GoPro and use them, let me know what you do to improve your audio quality, because I was looking at mine yesterday and it's pretty crappy. So, let's see what happens. And I have the mount for the GPS coming in on Monday. That's 2 days from now. So I'm gonna probably do a video on how I installed the mount. I got it from Ram Mounts. I had to get the ball bracket, the arm, and the gimbal bracket mount, the actual GPS. And then I have the transducer arm, so I can mount my transducer on the side of my kayak. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to run the wires. I'm not going to run any wires until I get my battery set up. So I'll show you guys how I'm going to do that. Sorry about the wind. I don't know how the wind's going to sound on this. Hopefully it's not that bad. Keep getting blown into the side of the thing. I don't have an anchor on my kayak yet. I have the one that came with it, but it sucks. You know, so I'm using it. Sucks because yesterday, once I got a fish on, my GoPro ended up dying. So you guys never got to see that, but it was a 16-inch flounder, and then I caught another one about an hour after that, and I just backlashed the crap out of this. But took them two home. I cooked them last night. I'll tell you what, flounder's very, very good. I liked it. First time I had flounder. I'll tell you what, it wasn't that bad. It's not that bad. Getting another GoPro on the road. I'm going to install that one on a pole in one of these fish or rod holders back here. That way you get a nice view from up in the air and makes it look like the drone flying over you. I think it looks pretty cool. What else we got going on with this kayak? Nothing much. If you guys have videos of your own kayak, or, you know, send me the link in the comments below and I'll check them out. I'm always looking for new ideas. I like seeing other people's ideas. I also have this fish net that I just bought. It is a far bill fish net. The only reason I got this was because it's so small and lightweight, and also if you're not using it, check this out. You can literally fold it up to a small fish net. Doesn't take up as much room. That's why I got this. I figured it'd be great for kayaking. Anyone that has a canoe, a small boat. I thought this was perfect. And it's pretty big. I'm sure that I'll never catch a fish big enough to not fit in this fish net. So I got this. It also extends right here. You put one of these flaps up and it extends. So it's pretty long. I keep it short because I don't think I need it that long. Nice grip here on the handle. I might put some paracord around it, 550 it, maybe look somewhat neat. I also might 550 this aluminum frame here. I believe it's aluminum. So just give it some design. That just goes in the rod holder there on the left. I also have these fish grips. So when I'm handling the fish, I just put that on the lip. Helps me hold them better and control them. Also, when I'm trying to get everything else situated, I'll just hold them on the side of the boat. And then that way I can control them and get everything situated. It works pretty well. I'm also going to do a video. I have an idea planned. I'm going to put an eyelet right here. I don't know if you can see this. I'm going to put one right there. And then I'm going to put retractable cords on there. And I'm going to put my fish grips on there, my pliers, my hook removers. That way, my line cutters. That way everything's attached. And if I need to get to it, I can. But I don't know how that's going to work out with the fish finder. So we'll see how that works. There is this new guy's YouTube channel that I found. He pretty much inspired me. I mean, I wouldn't say inspired, but he's, I don't know how to pronounce the name of his channel. I think it's I'll put the link to his channel in the description below. But he's a good guy. I like his channels. Very funny. He started off with a really cheap kayak, and he got into the sport of kayaking. Started fishing in it, and he called it the poor man's kayak. And I thought it was funny because it's just this kayak, and you're like, I can't go fishing in a kayak. He turned it into a fishing kayak, that's for sure. And he started off with something real small, and he turned it into this amazing fishing kayak that worked for him. And him and another guy is one of the reasons why I got into kayak fishing, because he made it look so fun. And I figured, well, I'm gonna try that. That looks fun. So now I'm hooked on it, and that's how I got into it. It's pretty fun. I like it. It's relaxing. That's one of the main reasons I come out here. Is I'm usually out on the water every day if I can, and it's just peaceful. It's relaxing. And every day I'm thinking of different things I could do to this kayak to make it a better fishing kayak. I might have to move because I have not get one hit yet. Usually this place is crawling with flounders. Today just definitely doesn't seem like a good day. This reel casts like a dream. It's so smooth. But I used to use the loose speed spool reels. I like them, but the one I had was 7:1:1, and I thought I was, too fast. So I ended up buying this one because it has a slower gear ratio. So that's why I got this one. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the GoPro quality. What I have it set on is 1080p, 60 frames a second. The field of view, I have it set at the wide angle. That way it's easier for me and I don't have to worry about my face being cut off in the slide. And then that way you guys can see more what's going on pretty much. That's set up like that. Also, I'm still trying to figure out the best way to go about, not running out of memory so fast. I want to get a bigger memory card, but they're so expensive. Everything's so expensive. $550 for a kayak, like $500 for the fish finder. Then I paid another $100 for the mounts for the fish finder, and then $300 for the GoPro. So everything's super expensive, but hopefully I can get better quality videos out with the GoPro. I'm going to look at external mics and try to figure out ways to improve the audio quality with an external mic. So we'll see how that goes. If you guys have any good ideas on how to do that, let me know. I'm definitely trying to figure that out. That's one of my projects. The setup that I'm using, I have a Abu Garcia Black Max reel. I got this from Dick's for I think like $60. It's pretty nice. It's 6:4:1 gear ratio. It's a 5 bearing reel, and it's really small. I like it. It's not too heavy, lightweight. And then I have it on a Halo fishing rod. There's a big trout that just jumped to my left.